Oscar Pistorius is back on the witness stand this morning in his murder trial. The double amputee track star, known as the Blade Runner, is describing the night that he shot his girlfriend. Correspondent and CBS News contributor Debora Patta is in Pretoria, South Africa, with the dramatic testimony. Deborah, good morning.
Another emotional day in court. Oscar Pistorius sobbing uncontrollably in the witness stand as he begins to describe what happened in the early hours of Valentine's morning last year when he shot his girlfriend, Reeva Steenkamp. By all accounts, the evening before the shooting was an uneventful one. They retired early to bed. He locked the bedroom door and put a cricket bat near it for extra security.
I was getting increasingly tired, and I said to her, do you want me to close the doors, or will you close them when you fall asleep? Will you bring in the fans and close the curtains and lock the door when you fall asleep? And she said to me that she would. And then I fell asleep.
Now, the defense is trying to portray Oscar Pistorius as a vulnerable man. At one point, they asked him to remove his prosthetic legs so the court could see how tall he is standing on his stumps. They want to dispel the image projected by the prosecution that he's violent and gun-obsessed. He's charged with recklessly firing a gun in a public restaurant and then blaming it on a friend. But today, he told a different story.
The next thing I knew, a round went off, the firearm discharged. I was overcome with fear that somebody may have got hurt, so I looked around. The whole restaurant went dead quiet. I couldn't really believe what had happened. I was quite angry initially that Mr. Fresco had handed me an unsafe firearm, one that had a magazine in and one that had a round in the chamber.
But the main focus of today's proceedings has been on what happened when Oscar Pistorius shot his girlfriend, Reeva Steenkamp. As he was about to get to that crucial moment in his story, he couldn't take it anymore. He started sobbing uncontrollably and vomiting in the witness stand, so much so that they had to bring a bucket into court for him. Charlie?
Deborah, thanks.